Hey guys, welcome to the AR experiment series. Today I'm trying an application called Object Viewer from a cube. You know, that is an accessory that you can buy or make by yourself to exploring augmented reality. With only one magic cube, you can use a certain types of apps that were designed specially for it. If you want to know how to make a cube and experience AR, a list of educational applications for teaching kids, such as chemistry, biology, technology, solar system, geology, or archaeology. Please click on my previous videos in this below description box. Alright, so firstly, you need to download the application on Google Play or App Store. Download links are also available for your reference. Let's see, we have already some object codes that people share. So, let's try to use them. And it is mosquito. You see, it can just hold a 3D object. It is very easy to manipulate. Actually, searching an app that can teach kids what the 3D world is about just by using a mosquito anyway. You see, it's very simple model, right? A birthday cake with the candles and number 1 on top. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now we can load another thing. Oh yeah, this one, a fighter model, 3D model. So here it is. Actually, it's quite small, but put it a cube, virtual cube. It covers the entire face set of the mercube. Inside, you can see you can rotate it from different angles. So let's see, what other object we have? It is a box and trade out. Let's download it. It's very easy to rotate the 3D models because you just hold a cube and rotate the cube and it rotates the 3D model in the same ways. Alright. If you want a piece of this experience, all you need is to download the apps. It's free on the Google Play or from the App Store if you are using an iPhone or iPad. And of course, you need a mercube accessory for this. That's it. If you have those, you can try it out for yourself and enjoy. Have fun! See you guys on the next video. I hope that you will like it, and I have been in more cool augmented reality stuff very soon. Goodbye!